Wow, check out these amazing and easy to make bed traps. Look at them. Aren't they easy to make and very effective as you can see? So if you're looking for a very effective way of catching those birds instead of stressing yourself, why not just pick one of these methods from here and you'll be glad you did. Look at very beautiful, simple, and effective. I think that's all you want. They are very easy to make as you can see and very effective also as you can see. So friends, which of these trap are you planning to make to catch those